Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to this week's Di's Shorts and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you say hi when you're here and let me know where you're viewing from because it is so fun to see everybody as a group, like coming together from all around the world. So I do love to see when you let me know where you're from. So my name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So today, really quickly, I wanted to show you one of the new kits from the kits collection. Now these are a little different than the paper pumpkin. They're kind of similar, comes in the cute little box and you have everything to do your kit. But these ones, we know what we're getting, so that's always nice because I don't know about you, but I kind of like to know what I'm getting, right? So now sometimes the paper pumpkin tease is enough to make me want to get it, but in general I like to see what the kit is. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the new little one. I'm going to be taking a couple days off to go on vacation, so I thought it was a perfect time to do the little notebook so I can get it ready, so I can take it with me, so I can make notes in it about the trip, places to put pictures, and all that good stuff. So I thought, you know what, maybe you're going on a trip. I don't know if kids are in school right now. I did see a school bus the other day, so I want to say that maybe they are. If not, this might be a good one that you do with your kids too, right? That they could do a book to have for summer vacation or maybe just a new school year. All right, so let me turn the camera so we can get started. I just put my hand there so you don't get seasick. All right, so the kids collection, so I think it was last week or so, sorry I just slammed my drawer, was the best remedy. So remember I showed you these cute ones? So you did the three little birds, the fun little skunk, and then the cute little mouse. So you did like 9 of these cards. And then the kids collection, they are all inclusive. Like it comes with everything that you need. And I opened this one, by the book one, so I will make sure, maybe I pulled the spot out. But anyway, so this was the one I showed last week or the week before. And in case you missed that, in case this one is like, oh my gosh, I want to get this one. This one is Best Remedy, and this is the item code for that one. It's 160171, and it's $23 before tax and shipping, and that's the USA price. So if you are watching from another country, you could have a different price, and I'm not for sure if, I think the kits are available like all over, but don't quote me. All right, so this is the one I want to show you today. So this is the Love This Memory Notebook Kit. And this item number, because I looked all over the flyer and I didn't see it, so I had to handwrite it on here, is 160168, and this one is $25 before tax and shipping. So don't forget, right now during celebration, for every $50 before tax and shipping that you order, you pick a celebration for free. So if you are close to that $50 mark, don't miss it. All right, so let's see here. So I opened this the other day. Oh, so it did come with a spot. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It was on the back table, because usually I use the big pad whenever I do my kits. I usually just leave my little spot closed, and then I just kind of have them. All right, so this is what you get for this kit, and it is super cute. I mean, and what's cute in the flyer are some of these fun pictures that they have on there. All right, so let me show you the kit really quick. All right, again, so you get your little parakeet party spot. You have a fun stamp set that has some really cute sayings on it. Smile every day. Be, oh my gosh, I can't even read. Oh, beautiful. High five. Start somewhere. Shine on. It's a good day. I like to shake it off. So if you are traveling in a car and you go to Steak and Shake, is that what they're called? You could use the shake, right? The cute little happy face that I might have to permanently mount and keep on my desk, because that is such a cute little smiley face that I could put on every envelope that goes out of the house. So it has a cute stamp set with it. And then you have tear tape. And what else is in there? Oh, some silver tape. So you've got some tear tape. Then you've got some silver washi, I believe. That's what this is. Let me feel it. Yeah, it's like a washi tape. So it's not super, super sticky. You've got your clear block. But look at all this fun stuff that's in the kit. So you've got this cute little book that has these little silver foil flowers. And then you have all these pages to decorate. But what comes with it, there's like a little pocket. So you could stick that on a page. You could stick it on the inside of the book if you wanted. Maybe you're going to put receipts or something. And it has the little sticky tape on there. Then you've got, now are these stickers or are these punch outs? Let's see. These are just punch outs. What else do we have? So these are great to back your pictures. They're great for journaling too, right? You could write on them. So you've got some fun designs. Oh, I like that one. All right, so what else do we have here? So this is just fun. I thought I would sit and I could also do this in the car as we're traveling. Now these are stickers, so these do peel off, and they're, look at all that beautiful sparkle. So they're iridescent. You've got some more of these, and they just give you some ideas how to use them. So I'm going to show you all of this stuff before we go to the papers. So it's kind of like a Memories and More card pack. Oh, I have a big thing about flowers, I guess, and the fun sun. So these are too cute. I love these colors. And there's those cute little happy faces. You have some more stickers here, and they're like a laser cut sticker. Some more, so you can write. You could probably use these as tabs, fold them over. So if you wanted, you know, to put these on your book, so you could tab over. These are just plain white, so they are the same. Nope. So just plain white, so you can color, you can just write on them, you can stamp on them, or you could put the alphabet letters on there. Isn't this fun? So you have all these sticky, like little alphabets that you can rip off and do your writing. Too fun. And when I look at it quickly, my mind sees party. P-A-R-T-Y, because that's what this is going to be when I'm putting it together. All right, so let me show you the ideas that they give you on this. Now this is merely a suggestion. So see how they have put the little tape, the tear tape. So you've got your little symbol there for your tear tape. You have your little symbol here for the washi, because it's kind of like a clear. So they've just showed that you, oh, so they put it on the front of the book, so it tells them what's in this book. So I could put, you know, our pictures on the front, and then it just shows you what they did to decorate. So they've used that tear tape and some fun little embellishments, and then here they've used those letters that I talked about right on the photo. And then it just explains how they're using these. Okay, because let's see here. So what I could do, what I might do, is I might get all my stuff stamped, and then I'm not stamping while I'm driving. Let's see, where are those? So you can stamp on these. Where's that other one? Heavens to Betsy. Here we go. Here they are, here they are, here they are. So see this? They have stamped with the It's a Good Day. So see how it's got that bend? So they stamped It's a Good Day around here, and it looks so stinking cute. And then they've just popped it on the page, and they've used some of these really cute bigger pieces of paper to put behind their photos. Here they use that envelope because they went to an event. So that's fun, and might be a little more fun than receipts. But I like that you can make it however you want. So they've stamped Shine On there. And let me see if that's what they did with those tabs. Oh, so they stuck the tab, this is just what they did, under the photo, because I wondered if you could use it as a tab. Let's see. So I like that. I like that a lot. And then they have a pen there. So I'm just just looking at it live with you all at the same time. I also like how they put the ruler on here. So if you need to cut ribbon for anything and you need a certain length. So here it shows more of what you have. But it's a super cute kit. So if you like to keep journals, this would be a fun one. It's not super big. I mean, it's only got how many pages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So probably 10 pages, because they're like sewn down the center. So 10 pages. So that's perfect for a trip. It's perfect for this would be great for a birthday party, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh, now that I thought about it, this would be a super kit if you had a birthday party that you were going to, or say it was your child's birthday party. Then every child that went to the party, they would get their own kit, and then they could decorate it, you know, what they did. That would be great. I'm just kind of coming up with some different ideas. I usually try to keep kits on hand, so when I meet new people that have never heard of Stampin' Up, I have like a little kit to give them, and the all-exclusive ones are perfect because they have everything in them. Alright, so let me turn here so I can say see you later, because that's a die shorts. I kept it truly quick this week. So that's just a couple, like, what other ideas would you have? I know, I think it would fit in my planner, so I could put it in my planner. I just think it's adorable. So we've got a birthday party. It could be a school year. It could be maybe a school trip you went on. Maybe, I'm just trying to think of different things. Say you are in drama club, or drama club, drama, and maybe you have a book about a certain class, you know, and you have all of your pictures from drama or music or whatever. It's a great book just for whatever. So anyways, I just wanted to come in and share that with you in case you missed it, because the kids collections, they just kind of pop up. And if you're in my online store, just search on the left-hand side and they should be there. And then they're usually, while supplies last at first, sometimes we get more, and then sometimes it takes a while to get them back, if we get them back, you know, the whole supply chain and all. But anyway, so if this one entices you, make sure you grab it now, because I did check before I started the video to make sure that it was still available, and it is. And maybe grab a couple, and then you'll be able to get a celebration item as well. All right, so don't forget, August the 1st, my double eggs start, so don't forget that. I talked about that on my video the other day, and if you have any questions, make sure you reach out. Thank you so much. I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a twist. Other than that, have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.